Hi everyone, my name is Sai Persha at ngayon ay gagawa ho tayo ng multiplication table using the F4 key in Excel. Yung F4 key minsan ho hindi ho gagana sa ibang laptop, so kailangan nating i-activate yung function key or yung FN key. Ang FN key ay nandun sa medyo ibaba ng inyong keyboard, malapit sa inyong control key. So now let's go and proceed and create a multiplication table. So, magta-type lang ako ng 1 and 2. And then, I'll just drag it down. Gawa muna tayo ng 10 by 10 na multiplication table. And then, I'll copy this one. Alt-TS. And then, I'll just choose transpose. Then, let's click OK. So, now, meron na tayong column and row header. We can now proceed with our first formula, which is 1 multiply by 1. So, para mas mabilis yung paggawa natin ng multiplication table, kailangan i-copy na lang natin yung formula natin. Pero once I copy the formula down, and then I press F2, napapansin nyo, gumagalaw yung formula doon sa row, no? If we copy it across, yung formula mali din kasi gumagalaw din siya as we copy our formula down and across. So, kailangan i-fix natin yung ibang references natin para maging tama yung pag-copy ng formula. But the big question is, ano ba ang i-fix ko? Yung column ba or row ba or both ba? So, let's try to figure out kung ano ba dapat nating i-fix. I pressed F2. The way to fix a cell reference, normally we will type in $sign dollar sign or $sign dun sa row. Pero there is quicker way on how to fix a cell references by pressing F4. So if I press F4 once, nagkakaroon na siya ng cell references. But our question here dito sa A2, ano ba ang i-fix ko? Ang A ba or 2 ba or both? Ang tinitingnan ko, ano ba yung orientation ng data range ko? Ang data range ko dito, which is yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10, is naka-vertical siya or under a column A. So, in that regard, nandun siya sa column A, kailangan ko i-fix yung A. So, let's press F4 once. If I press F4 once, yung A tsaka 2 parehong may $sign, which is ayaw natin. Gusto natin yung A lang yung may $sign. I press again, yung row ang may $sign. I press again, yung column A ang may $sign, which is yun ang gusto nating mangyari. So sa B1, same concept again. Ang B1 is yung taas ng cell na to, yung column header natin, which is under row 1. So, yun ang gusto nating i-fix, yung row references niya. So, if I press F4 once, both are fixed. If I press another one, yung may $sign is yung 1 lang, which is yung row. So, yan ang gusto nating mangyari. Control Enter and then we can just drag the formula down and across. So, if we check the formula, F2, 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. 48, 6 times 8 is equal to 48. Siguro kung tayo nag-work from home or we have breaks in the office at kiddo natin or anak natin is with us, so we can have a small break and do some multiplication exercise. So let's say kabisado na nila yung multiplication table 10 by 10. So pwede natin lakihan yung multiplication table natin. Highlight lang tayo ng dalawang number. Let's say gusto natin hanggang 20 naman siya. And then we'll just copy the formula. We can drag it down and then we can drag it across. So if we check the last formula, F2, 20 by 20, which is 400. So if you want to know the factors of that number, you just press F2 and then escape to see the result. So, yan ang ating multiplication table. And thank you for listening and see you next time.